Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the free card kit of the month video. In order for you to receive this free card kit and a small product gift sent directly to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is shop in my online store at a $50 minimum. No host code needed. But wait, there's more. Want to earn a free stamp set just for being a loyal customer? Check out the description box below. You'll find more information about this free card kit and my loyalty rewards program. And if you're watching this video to figure out how to put your kit together, I just want to say thank you for shopping with me, or thanks for being on my team. I appreciate you all so very much. Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the card kit of the month for July 2026. This is how your card kits usually come, and except there's envelopes. So there's some, I'm using Lemon Lolly card base, and then there's basic white for the punch circle and the card front. And then that's Timid Tiger, actually, that orange. It's a in color that is almost going out. So if you love the color, it's something to think about picking up before it dissipates. And then the Beautiful Ordinary Life, which is by far one of my favorite designer series papers. So I used Secret C to stamp the sentiment from Lily of the Valley. It says to a forever kind of friend. And but you don't have to use that stamp set. If you don't have it, use what you got. And I happen to use Secret C because I'm finding I'm kind of getting out of black. This is the new black for me. Anyway, this is Lemon Lolly, and I'm stamping all over those pages of basic white. And we are going to attach those just with regular adhesive. This is Seal Plus. It's only what I use. And I'm going to attach that to the Lemon Lolly cardstock. Card base, I should say. And it's just something to give a little barrier between the two card stalks, the Lemon Lolly and the Timid Tiger. And I also stamped in Lemon Lolly in case you were curious. And now I'm going to attach the pattern paper, which is again a Beautiful Ordinary Life. I also like the title of that, to be honest, because that is my life. I have all of you, and I feel so grateful that you're here with me, and I have a really great life myself. Anyway, so I'm attaching these with dimensional adhesives, and then I will attach the circles as well. I will leave the links in the description box below in case you want to check any of the products out for yourself. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. This video should have went out on Wednesday. I just had some issues and I couldn't do it. So Thursday it is. Anyway, thank you for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I will be back on Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.